the matter spread through the vacuum of space and formed the galaxies, stars, and star systems according to a definite plan. In the end, an extremely systematic and orderly universe was formed. This was an astonishing concept for many scientists, because all explosions destroy order by breaking it up into pieces. All explosions have a destructive impact. Therefore, the formation of this flawless order following the Big Bang could only be explained through a miracle. As astrophysicist Alan Sandage stated, I find it quite improbable that such order came out of chaos. God is the explanation for the miracle of existence, why there is something instead of nothing. This great miracle brought together the atoms in a certain way, forming the universe and the perfect balance between billions of galaxies and trillions of stars and other celestial bodies. It is God, the all-wise and the all-powerful, who performed this miracle and showed it to us. God says in a verse of the Quran, "He to whom the kingdom of the heavens and the earth belongs, he has no partner in the kingdom. He created everything and determined it most exactly." The pieces of matter that were formed as a result of the Big Bang started flying away from each other at tremendous speed. But if they had flown apart slightly less quickly, all the matter would have clumped together before the star systems had a chance to form, due to the intense force of gravity. And if the universe had expanded just a little more quickly, then the matter in it would have scattered and spread out across the universe, lost in a way that would have precluded the formation of both galaxies and stars. In either of these cases, there would have been no living creatures, us included, in the universe. But neither of these situations came to pass, and instead, an extremely well-designed expansion rate led to the present order of the universe. So, just how delicate is this balance? Professor Stephen Hawking, one of the leading physicists of our age, wrote in his famous book, A Brief History of Time, "If the rate of expansion 1 second after the Big Bang had been smaller by even 1 part in 100,000 million, the universe would have recollapsed before it ever reached its present size." The well-known journal Science Compare the beginning of the universe to placing a pencil on its pointed tip in such a way that it would stay in this position even after 1 billion years had passed. Such a balance is truly beyond the comprehension of the human mind. What does this extraordinary balance point to? Surely, such a delicate balance cannot be explained by mere chance. Rather, it points to an intelligent design.
Way ahead of us, incomparable.
Theoretical physicist Paul Davies from Australia's Adelaide University accepts this reality, despite his support for materialism. The seemingly miraculous concurrence of numerical values in nature's fundamental constants must remain the most compelling evidence for an element of cosmic design. The clear results of science led Davies, a materialist, to recognize the fact that the universe is the result of design and creation. American astronomy professor George Greenstein made a similar remark in his book, The Symbiotic Universe. As we survey all the evidence, the thought insistently arises that some supernatural agency, or rather agency, must be involved. In sum, the unique plan and order in the universe point clearly to the existence of a creator who possesses endless knowledge, power, and intelligence. The Creator is the Almighty God, the Lord of all the worlds. What is the purpose of the vast vacuums of space? What would have happened if space hadn't been so large? That's all coming up. The distances between bodies in the universe are staggeringly large when compared to the distances on the Earth. The longest distance we can travel on the Earth itself is 15,000 kilometers. The Sun, a body we feel is quite close to us, is 10,000 times further away than that distance, fully 150 million kilometers away from our globe. Distances longer than this are measured using units called light years. This is the distance that light travels over the space in a year, adding up to 9,460,000,000,000 kilometers. The Andromeda Galaxy, the closest neighbor to our Milky Way, lies 2 million light-years away from us. The universe itself contains some 100 billion more galaxies, and from this, we can see that it is beyond the capacity of our minds to imagine the vast distances that the universe encompasses. So, why is the universe so large? Scientists who sought an answer to this question found that the size of the universe was another astonishing number. The vast distances between these bodies actually make the orbits of the planet stable. Calculations have shown that if these distances had been just a little larger, the gravitational force between